ERGOLINE is an aluminum crane system in modular design of capacities up to 1,000 kilograms. ERGOLINE excels in extremely easy handling, flexibility, and short delivery times. ERGOLINE is based on a standardized modular system. All the main components are on stock. In the areas at the end of the bridge, conventional systems often require more effort, whereas ERGOLINE here shows its strengths best. First, the ERGOLINE bridge starts moving on the operator side only. Consequently, considerably less dead load is to be moved. Later, the opposite side is moving without the slightest effort. This is reached by the innovative gimbal mounting of the crane bridge, which ensures that the bridge can move in any direction and does not cant. The hoists feature easy-running trolleys, which run very smoothly in the aluminum profiles. Therefore, ERGOLINE ensures, with its gimbal mounting, minor traversing forces from any position, along with fatigue-free working. The ERGOLINE crane supports are simply and safely screwed down to the floor by means of dowel plates. The steel columns, including the strut beams, can be adjusted in height, and therefore can be adjusted to each individual hull layout. The jibs of the supports are not welded to the structure, as usual, but can be adjusted in inclination and height. This way, they allow an easier and more exact alignment of the crane system. Width and length of the system can be individually adapted to your requirements. The optional reinforcing profiles can be used to get larger spans and field lengths up to 10 meters. The ERGOLINE system can be expanded in length over further fields as long as required, and can be equipped with several bridges. ERGOLINE is a system that can be perfectly adjusted to your needs. Do you want to stay flexible, or do you intend to relocate your company? No problem. You can take the ERGOLINE crane system with you. ERGOLINE can be adjusted to a new location without great expenditure. ERGOLINE. Ergonomic, flexible, off the shelf.